Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll do the introduction of chapter 10 Practical Geometry of class 7th. See, in this chapter, in introduction, first of all we'll do the construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. Means as we know that these two lines are parallel. Fine, we can see that these two lines are parallel, but here today we learn that how to construct a line which is parallel to the given line. See here, for example, see, this is a line. Fine, I have drawn this line. Now I am going to do a construction that I will draw a line which will be parallel to this one line. Fine, for that what we'll do here, as in earlier chapter lines and angles, we have done that when two lines are parallel and this is a transversal line and this angle both will be alternate interior angles, means both angles will be equal. So what we'll do here, for this we will take a point as according to question what is saying here that construct a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. Mean to say a point will be there which will not be on this line. So what we'll do here, we will take one more point on this line. Fine, and what we'll do here, we will join this point. On joining this point, you can see that it is going to form a transversal line. Fine, as you know that these two lines are parallel and this is a transversal line. So from this point I am going to join this one point to this one point and they are going to form a transversal line. Fine, so what we'll do here, after that, after joining these 2 points, I will extend these points more so that it will be more clear to you. Fine, what we'll do here, I will open my compass. What you will do, you will just open your little bit compass. Fine, and you just, what will do here, you just make a circle like this here. Fine, make an arc like this here. After making an arc, you just don't move your compass. It will be open as with this much length. What we'll do, as we know that these two angles are equal, so what we'll do here, again we'll put our needle of the compass here and we'll, with the same measurement, with the same distance, we'll make an arc here also like this. Fine, but mean to say these two lines should remain the same here. Now you can say that, now what we'll do here, again you will put your needle of the compass here and you open it till this. Mean to say your pencil will be here and compass will be here, and just take this one gap, just make an arc like this here, and this much arc you place your compass again here and make an arc like here. Fine, what we'll do here, now what we'll do here, we will join it like this and we'll draw a line like this. Fine, now you can see here, as we have measured already that this one arc and this one arc is already, they are the same arcs, and this much length between these two. Fine, between this transversal and parallel line, and between this one transversal and this one line, see here both are of same, this one portion and this one portion, means these two angles are same, and we know that if these two angles are same and this is a transversal line and these are forming interior alternate angles, means these line will be parallel. Fine, so in this way you can draw two parallel lines. Fine, so this is the criteria to construct a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. Fine, so in this way we can construct two parallel lines. Now after that we will do the construction of triangles, means I will explain to you the different criteria that what is given to you to construct that triangle. So before that I will tell you that what we want to construct these triangles. For example, you want scale, razor, sharpener, pencil, compass, protractor. All these things are geometrical equipments are required to construct these triangles. Fine, so let's start it now. The first one criteria to construct a triangle is SSS criteria. What is that? S means side, side and side. See, I have written here. It means to say here, when 3 sides are given to you, that time you will construct a triangle. For example, see here I have drawn it an example for you, that construct a triangle ABC given that AB is 3 cm, BC is 4 cm and AC is 5 cm. See, first of all you can take any side of this triangle as base, as I have seen that AC is the greatest length of the sides. So I have taken AC as a base. Fine. Then after that, what we'll do, if triangle is ABC is here and AC is the base, then B will be here on this side. So what we'll do here, now AB is 3 centimeter. So what we'll do here, just open your compass up to 3 centimeter and make an arc like this. Fine. And on the other side, we will construct here BC line. So what we'll do here, as BC is 4 centimeter, again we'll open your compass up to 4 centimeter length and make an arc like this here. So and this is the intersecting point of the arcs, then it will be named as B. Now join BA and BC, and this will be the construction of triangle when all the 3 sides of triangles are given. Now next criteria is SAS criteria, mean to say side angle side. From this criteria, you can see that this one angle is in between both the sides. Fine. It means to say here, when we are having 2 sides and angle is given to you, that and you can see one that angle is lying between the 2 sides. So what we'll do here, see here, I have taken one more example. I am going to explain it to you. That construct a triangle PQR, given that here PQ is 3 centimeter, QR is 5.5 centimeter, and angle PQR, see here Q is inside between the sides. This one angle is Q is there, it is 40 degree. So what we'll do here, as we know that PQ and PR, you can see here both the sides here PQ and this one which is PQ and QR. PQ and QR both are the sides, and angle Q is here and it is in between the sides, and it is 40 here. So what we'll do here, first of all you will just draw the base of the triangle. I have taken QR. Fine. After taking QR as 5.5 centimeter, just make an angle of 40 degree on Q, and after that, after constructing this angle as 40 degree, just make an arc of 3 centimeter, because we have to construct a line PQ, that is 3 centimeter. So open a compass up to 3 centimeter and make an arc on angle 40 degree, and that will be your point P, where this one arc is going to cut this one angle. Fine. And then join PR, and in this way you can construct your triangle when 2 angles and the included angle, 2 sides and the included angle is given to you.